Previously on Desperate Housewives.
If we lose the surrogate, it could take months to find another one.
Why not take mine?
This thief is trying to steal your truck.
You the guy who's 4 months behind on his payments?
Why didn't you tell me you were having money problems?
I was hoping business would pick up before anybody found out.
Turns out the golden child never got his degree.
Is this true?
Irina, it's some Russian guy and he doesn't sound happy.
Олексій, я тільки говорила, що не хочу ще більше слышать.
I can do whatever I want with my eggs.
And I can do whatever I want with the credit cards I pay for. For example, I can cut them up.
Can't you see the type of person he is?
Yes, he is the type of person who leaves college to care for his dying mother. You are the type of person who steals from clients.
So how can I tell her I'm dead broke?
Tell me how much you need.
It's completely understandable, Gabby. It was a lot to ask.
So where's Lee? I want to talk to him too.
After Carlos came over, Lee and I got into yet another fight, and we broke up.
How can it be vinegar? We tested the recipe last night and it was perfect, and then I locked the sherry in the liquor cabinet.
Did you give Andrew's keys to anyone after you fired him?
He never returned his key.
Andrew's not clever enough to pull that off. He can't even steal a case of wine without getting caught.
Well, then who do you think did it?
Here in America, we actually get divorced before we get married again. Otherwise,
Alexei told me if I marry him, he will give me good life. But he didn't.
what about the guy in Italy who pressed charges after you cleaned out his bank account?
Give Preston your little file. I will explain it all away. I love you so much. I would rather have you cut me off completely than to allow you to make a mistake that could ruin your life.
Scavos couldn't even give you a lift?
I want nothing from the Scavos. They're dead to me.
Lucky for you, I am not a Scavo.
I have no problem letting you use me.
Okay, enough. I'm a little out of your league, don't you think? I mean, I didn't come to America to end up with some greasy-headed boy.